Today, as usual, I'm going to explain you about a new cryptocurrency, a new coin that is UniSwap. UniSwap protocol. This is their website, the official website of UniSwap, that is uniswap.org. Now we will see the description, the introduction about this coin. In this menu, FAQ, you can find out the information about this coin. They are saying Uniswap protocol is an open source protocol that provide liquidity and trading the ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum. It eliminates or it removes trusted intermediaries and unnecessary forms of rent extraction that allow for safe and accessible as well as efficient exchange activity. The protocol is non upgradable. They are saying that it is non upgradable and is designed to be censorship resistant. The Uniswap protocol and the interface of Uniswap, they were developed by Uniswap Labs, the Uniswap laboratories. You can check the introduction section. They are saying for more information if you want to see. Now the question is, people want to know how can they use the Uniswap protocol. They're saying to create a new liquidity pool, provide liquidity. You can swap tokens or vote on governance proposals. Head over the Uniswap interface and connect a Web3 wallet. That is a wallet where you can keep the tokens. Just they are saying, remember, each transaction on Ethereum, it will cost ETH. For more details walkthrough, you can go to their help guides. Now another question that can be of your interest, that is, how does Uniswap protocol work? Now this shows the working of Uniswap protocol. Uniswap is an automated market maker. In practical terms, they are saying it is a collection of smart contracts that defines a standard way to create the liquidity pools and provide liquidity and as well as swap assets. So each liquidity pool will have two assets. The pool keep the track of aggregate liquidity, that reserves and the predefined pricing strategies set by liquidity providers. Reserves and prices are updated automatically each time someone do trading. There's no central order book, they are saying, and no third party custody, and also they are saying that no private order matching engine. Because reserves are, they are saying, automatically rebalanced after each trade. So a Uniswap protocol can always be used to buy or sell a token. Not like other traditional exchanges, the traders do not need to match with individual counterparties to complete their trade. So for more description, you can check out this link. So this is all about what you want to know about your Uniswap. Let's check its price. You can get the introduction or information about this coin in coinbase.com website. Also here you can check out all these details. How does Uniswap work? You can find the same information here, but in another, maybe it's possibly in easier way. Let's check the price of Uniswap in CoinMarketCap. First, I will refresh this page to get the updated details. Now, the current price of Uniswap is $7.88. That is 5.03%. It is decreased, and they are saying it's ranked number 28, and it has the market cap. The market cap value of Uniswap is $5,445,414,282. That is 5.04% decreased, and plus they are saying market cap or TVL ratio is 0.6989. The fully diluted market cap value is $7882482,934, and it is 4.90% decreased. The total value locked TVL, it's $7813098,833. And the total volume in 24 hours, the volume is $1,662,75751, that is 21.66% increased. So the volume or market cap value is 0.03033. The circulating supply is 690,824,747.41 UNI, that is Uniswap, and it's 69% they are saying. And the maximum supply value is this, and the total supply value is this. Here is the overview of the Uniswap to USD chart, that you can check the price or ups and downs. You can see that currently in the chart, the it is 8.30. The current value of uni swap, this coin is at $8.30. From here you can scroll it down and check all the details from here. For market cap chart, you can check it, that the market cap chart, it shows the related information about the Uniswap coin. And in trading view, if you want to trade this coin, and all of the information about the candles for this coin is here. You can check its price at it's now at $7.88. Here it is stated that the live Uniswap price today is this one, that is $7.90. And with it they are saying 24-hour trading volume of $165,612,896 USD. They are saying that they update their UNI to USD price in real time. So the Uniswap is down at with 4.79% in the last 24 hours, and the current market cap coin ranking is 28 for this coin. And they are saying that with the live market cap of $5,460,255,506 USD. So and its circulating supply is this value, that is 690,824,747 UNI coins. And and a maximum they are saying supply of this much UNI coins. So, here also is stated the details about what is Uniswap coin. And let's check this one. They're saying Uniswap is a popular, they're saying decentralized trading protocol that is known for its role in that it facilitates automated trading of decentralized finance (DeFi) tokens. They're saying the example of automated market maker AMM Uniswap was launched in November 2018, but it has gained considerable popularity this year. They are saying that Uniswap also it has aimed to keep the token trading on automated and completely open to anybody who wants to hold the tokens, while it improves the efficiency of trading versus the that on traditional exchanges. So this, if you want to know further about this coin, you can read all the detail or the information from here. And lots of information regarding your interest about Uniswap coin is in this page. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to watch my upcoming video. It will be based on a new crypto coin. Till then, bye bye.